Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we're selling here is a XLCR front wheel from a Harley. Now, it's got a 78 casting number on it. So, but I don't know XLCRs. But anyway, we'll show you the casting number. One rotor looks pretty good. Another rotor's got a slight hole drilled in it, but not all the way through. So I don't know what the deal is. Plenty of tire iron marks on it from years gone by. It needs a good cleanup. Nice detail go a long way on this. I'm sure it's original paint. So here we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. This is the blemish I was talking about. I've never seen a hole in a rotor like that. They didn't go all the way through, but anyway, you still got the adjust. It's all pretty cool. And here's the casting number, and it ends in 78. I don't know exactly what year for sure, but here it is. And thanks for looking at our stuff.